Hello everybody, this is Eduardo Robles with the Appraisal Real Estate Team powered by Keller Williams based out of San Diego. So today's video we're going to be talking about what happens if the appraisal comes in above value. So basically what that is what happens if the appraisal comes in over the price of what we'd agreed to purchase the house on. So just to let you know, so if you were purchasing a house for $500,000 and the value came back at $525,000, that means you're walking into instant equity. So that means the first thing you should do is go straight to your buyer's agent, give him a nice big hug because he worked his butt off and negotiated great terms and great price for you, and it's that simple. You're walking into instant equity on buying your next home. If you have any more questions about that subject, give me a call directly, 619-651-5808. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. You have yourself a beautiful day.